What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you multiple methods that how you can take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, S20, S22 Plus or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone, including a unique method that is especially for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or other Samsung Galaxy smartphones with an S Pen. So here we go. So here is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The very first method to capture a screenshot is with the help of physical keys. So let's assume I want to take a screenshot of my home screen. So what you need to do is press the power key and volume down key together, press and hold them like this, and a screenshot is captured. You can see there is a toolbar coming at the bottom. I will talk about it after a while. If you go to the gallery, here you will find a folder called screenshots. If you go here, this is the screenshot that we have just captured. As you can see, this is a picture. If you want, you can do multiple edits just like any other image. You can flip it, you can do the aspect ratio change, you can put some text, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, etc. because it is nothing but an image. And if you go to the detail of this image, you can see the screen resolution is exactly what is the screen resolution of our smartphone here. So if you want to take sharper screenshot with more resolution, then you can go to the display, you can select screen resolution, you can select the higher screen resolution, apply it, and now if you take a screenshot, it will be in better and higher resolution. So we just captured a screenshot. Let's go to the gallery again, and this is the newer screenshot. Now if I check the detail, you can see the screen resolution is changed. It is 1440 x 3088 compared to 1080 x 2316 of the previous screenshot. So this is how you can capture a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S22 series or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphone with the help of physical keys. This is the method number one. Now let's talk about the method number two. This is a gesture based method and you need to activate it from the settings. So go to the setting, go to the search, type palm, and then you will get an option called palm swipe to capture. If it is turned off, then you can turn it on by tapping on this slider, and you can also manually go to the advanced features, then motion and gesture, and then you will find the same option. So let me show you how to use this. What you have to do, you need to put your palm at the edge of the screen and swipe in another direction, and a screenshot will be captured. For example, I want to take a screenshot of the settings, then I will put my hand on one edge of the display and then I will swipe it in another direction like this, and you can see a screenshot is captured. So this is the method number two to capture a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now let's talk about the method number three. Let's assume you want to take a screenshot of an entire page. So right now when we were taking the screenshot, it was just capturing the content appearing on the screen, but let's assume you want to take a scrolling screenshot of a website with multiple pages, or for example, if you are going to the setting, this is also a multi-page setup. So to take the screenshot of multiple pages, what you have to do, first take the screenshot using any of the first two methods, either using the palm swipe to capture or using the physical keys. So here is my website, shanheather.com's homepage, and I'm going to take the screenshot using the physical keys. After that, the toolbar will appear at the bottom, then I will show how to use it. So the screenshot is captured, toolbar is coming, and the first option is for the scrolling screenshot. So if I just tap it on once, then it will swipe it down and capture the remaining part. You can see at the left edge that it is capturing the part of the screen and it is getting taller and taller. You can keep tapping on it as much as you want, as long as you want. Once you are done, you can just tap anywhere on the screen and the screenshot will be saved. So now if I go to the gallery, once again, if I go to the screenshot section, here is the screenshot that I have just captured. This is the scrolling screenshot that we captured on our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is the method number three. Now let's talk about the fourth method that is especially available only on the Samsung Galaxy smartphones with an S Pen like the S22 Ultra. For that, what you have to do, you need to take out the S Pen. Once you take it out, you will get this menu and some options. One of them is the Smart Select. So if you select it, you will get the option to take a screenshot. So at the bottom toolbar, you can see you got multiple options. The first one is the square. So using this, you can capture rectangular screenshot. Second one is lasso. This is going to allow you to capture screenshot in any shape. Then we got the circular option, that is oval. Then we got the option to create GIF out of the screen capture. And then you can also pin the screen capture to the screen. So I'm going to use the rectangular, for example. Just put your S Pen on the screen and select the area that you would like to be captured. And the screenshot is captured. Now once again you will get another toolbar at the bottom. So as you can get the idea, you can do some edit, you can put some text, and you can extract the text. And the interesting one is the first one, that is auto select. If you select it, it will automatically select the part of the screenshot that it finds interesting, and then it will only save that part. So depending on your preference, whether you would like to this or that, you can select it. For example, if I just capture this part, and then if I select the Smart Select, it will select all of these icons. Now if I tap on done, you can see only this part is captured and even the text is gone from here. And now if I select the pin, then I can pin it anywhere on the screen, as you can see. So this is quite nice for sure. So these are the 4 methods that you can use to capture a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, or any of the Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.